What is up, guys? I'm doing a quick video on an issue that may affect KTM two-strokes that run a crankcase pressure sensor. That includes the TPI and I believe also the TBI. The two-strokes have two crankcase seals. One on the right side, which is a wet seal, meaning there's oil around it, and one on the left side, which is a dry seal, meaning there is no oil around it. So this is the one on the left side right here. This is underneath the flywheel. And the reason this matters for KTM, TPI, and TBI bikes that have a crankcase pressure sensor is because this right here is holding in crankcase pressure. There's been a lot of discussion on KTM forums and on Facebook about bad crankcase pressure sensors. And they do go bad, and I've replaced mine multiple times before I figured out what the problem really was. Namely, I had a leaky crankcase seal right here. The reason that matters is because the crankcase pressure sensor literally detects the pressure of the crankcase. And if you have a leak, then you're not going to be getting the correct values back to the ECU, which is in turn going to be causing incorrect fueling, and your bike is going to run rough, especially at lower RPM. So after I replaced my crankcase pressure seal, I haven't had any rough running problems since then. However, my bike now has 250 hours on it, and I did this about 120 hours ago. So I'm going to be installing another one. These are pretty inexpensive. All you have to do is take out the flywheel, then you got to pop up the crankcase seal, put the new one back in, kind of hammer it in evenly, and put the flywheel back on, and you're done. A lot of guys talk about the right-hand side seal and that leaking causing problems, but that is pretty easy to figure out because it ends up burning the transmission oil and you get a lot of smoke out the back of the bike. This seal, on the other hand, fails silently and basically results in poor running for bikes that have crankcase pressure sensors. So if you have issues in low to mid RPM of the bike running like garbage, might be worth checking into this and seeing if you can replace your seal. I hope this helps someone, and I'll talk to you guys next time.